Imagine this. It's the end of the month, your bank account is screaming, and that unexpected car repair just landed in your lap. Panic sets in. You need cash fast. That's where apps like Dave come in, promising a financial lifeline. But before you dive headfirst, let's unpack the nitty-gritty. What exactly do you need to qualify for a Dave advance? Your financial safety net, or is it? Dave positions itself as a champion for the everyday person, offering small dollar advances, typically between $100 to $250, to bridge the gap between paychecks. Sounds like a lifesaver, right? Well, yes and no. Dave advances come with specific requirements and fees, so it's crucial to understand the landscape before hitting that advance button. So, you want a Dave advance? Buckle up. Here's the breakdown of what Dave typically looks for to approve you. Be employed and getting paid regularly. This one's a no-brainer. Dave needs to see a consistent income stream to ensure you can repay the advance. They'll likely connect directly to your bank account to verify your deposits. Maintain a minimum activity level. Dave wants to see you're actively using their app. This might involve receiving regular deposits or making transactions through a connected account. Banking history matters, but not as much as you think. Unlike traditional loans, Dave doesn't rely heavily on credit scores. However, they might look at your banking history to assess your financial stability and spending habits. No recent overdrafts. Ideally, Dave frowns upon overdrafts, especially recent ones. It indicates potential difficulty managing cash flow, which could make it harder to repay the advance. But wait, there's more. Fees to consider. While Dave doesn't charge traditional interest, they do have a few fees to be aware of. Subscription fee. Optional. A monthly subscription unlocks certain perks, but it's not mandatory to get an advance. Tip. Optional, but highly encouraged. Dave encourages users to leave an optional tip with each advance. This isn't technically a fee, but it's an important cost to consider when budgeting for repayment. The bottom line, is Dave right for you? Dave can be a helpful tool in a pinch, especially if you need a small, short-term advance and traditional loan options seem out of reach. However, it's important to use it responsibly. Here's why. Cost. While there are no traditional interest charges, remember the optional tip and potential subscription fee. These can add up over time. The cycle. Using Dave advances frequently can create a cycle of dependence. Ideally, you want to address the root cause of your cash flow issues, not just patch the holes temporarily. Better alternatives. Explore other options like credit unions or budgeting apps that promote healthy financial habits. Remember, Dave is a tool, not a magic solution. By understanding its requirements and potential drawbacks, you can make an informed decision about whether it fits your financial needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.